Before you engage with a new project, there are certain things you have to know. Is the cost worth the return? Can you get it done properly by the deadline? Do you have the resources? Resource forecasting is how you can answer that last question. Resources are anything you need to execute the project plan. From your team to the tools they need, materials, equipment, software, office space, and so on. Want to know why resource forecasting is so important? Keep reading. What is resource forecasting in project management? Resource forecasting is a way to estimate the number of necessary resources to deliver your project successfully. It's a tool used by project managers and their teams to see if they have the resources they need to complete the assigned tasks in a project. As noted, resources can mean many things. The most valuable resource in any project, however, is the people who make that project happen. When talking about resource forecasting, most project managers are looking at how to allocate their team by looking at their capacity, workload, and utilization levels. That means having the ability to see who is tasked with what assignments and whether the team is sharing that workload fairly. If you have only a few resources carrying the weight for the team, these people will likely get burned out and their morale will erode. This isn't the way to retain your workforce or get your project done on time. There are project management software solutions that address resource forecasting. Project Manager is online project management software that captures capacity in real time to help you make better decisions on how to allocate your resources. Our workload chart is color-coded so you can see at a glance who is overallocated, and then balance the workload from that view to keep teams productive. Get started with Project Manager today for free. Project Manager's workload chart is part of its robust resource management features. Learn more resource forecasting versus resource planning. Resource forecasting is used in resource planning. You can't plan your resources if you don't know what resources you have. These two aspects of project planning are connected and inform one another. Resource planning is how one organizes the resources that a project needs to reach completion. As we've mentioned, resources are broad and cover many categories. The resource forecast identifies these resources and whether they can fulfill the needs of the project over a specific time frame. The resource plan outlines exactly what you need in terms of resources. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.